In this example, I'm going to show you how to download the price earning ratio and dividend yield data and how to reorganize them so that you can analyze the individual series separately. So here we can download the data. Once we do that, it open up here as dividend. The problem here is because they put these two measures side by side. If you want to do lots of analysis, it's impossible because you have to select them separately one by one. I'm going to show you how to actually abstract this information as a data management technique. So what we do, actually, we reproduce this information on the other spreadsheet. I'm going to use a function called indexed, which you see how it works. First of all, we define some sort of the row number and column number. So let's say, yeah, column. Then we start from 1 to in this example, actually let's do 1 2 3 first, and then later on we'll show you how to just make it into every next column. And then the row, in this case we have to do in a way that like this. These are the information we will use it later on to reference that. And what the index function actually uses, saying you go to somewhere to find out this information, which will be, say, we want to reproduce this whole area of the data table up to here. Yes. And then we will say the row number will be the first row and will be the first column. Yes. So we do this, the first cell is empty, but now the trick is it's very important because we're going to copy and paste this formula. First of all, we need to fix the area searching into the same table all the time, and we want the row, this row number always stick in the B column whenever we copy, so we put a $ in front of B, and we want the row number always on the first row, so we put a $ in front of 1. Once we enter that, then we can copy and paste it. So here it will show all the information from the next spreadsheet. It still looks a bit messy, but that's fine. What we now want to do is we want to only keep the PE ratio for this spreadsheet, right? So if that is the case, then we know that it will be 2, 4, 6 column we want to retain. So to do that, what we need to do is just create something like this, 2, 4, and it will automatically generate it to a certain number. And if we just populate this line, we will know which year actually is up to. 2007, 2008, yes, so we need more 2009, so it hasn't got 2009 data yet. Okay, so no, that's not 39, that have to be 40, that's why. Okay, so that's 40 is out of range, so that's correct. So up to 2008, this is the data, and now we can populate this information. We need to make sure the length is matching with the rest as well. So let's see whether this information actually populates properly. Yes. So once you populate all the area with the same formula down to the corner here, all the information you need is here. We can do analysis from this point onward.